Welcome to Football Talk on Acholi Side TV. In this video, we turn our attention to one of the biggest sports infrastructure projects in northern Uganda, the Akii Olympic Stadium in Lira city. This massive 20,000-seat stadium is steadily transforming from a construction site into a modern sporting arena. And it has now been designated as a standby venue for the 2027 Africa Cup of Nations, commonly known as AFCON 2027. For many football fans, this is more than just another stadium. It is a symbol of opportunity, national pride, and the growing importance of northern Uganda in the country's sporting future. Construction of the $129 million facility has passed the halfway mark, with the main stadium structure now clearly visible. That is 50%. One of the most exciting developments is that the installation of seats is already underway, giving supporters a glimpse of what match day will eventually look like. Every week, new progress can be seen as workers race against time to meet the target completion date in late 2026. The project is being undertaken by Egyptian construction company Samco, National Construction Company, and the pace of work suggests that the contractors are determined to deliver a facility that meets international standards. One of the most impressive achievements so far is the completion of the underground drainage and subsurface systems for both the main football pitch and the training grounds. While these systems remain invisible to spectators, they are among the most important features of any modern stadium. Proper drainage ensures that modern stadiums continue even after heavy rainfall, protecting the playing surface and guaranteeing better football. The structural framework of the main stadium is also nearing completion. The VIP sections have taken shape, while roofing and exterior finishing works are progressing steadily. These developments indicate that the project is entering one of its most visible phases. However, Akii Olympic Stadium is not only about football. It is being developed as a complete multi-sport complex. Construction is also advancing on a standard 25-meter swimming pool, a 2,000-seat indoor arena, and accommodation facilities for athletes. These additional facilities will allow Uganda to host a wide range of regional and international sporting events beyond AFCON. The economic impact of this project should not be overlooked. Between 1,000 and 1,500 local workers from the Lao sub-region have been employed during construction. This has provided income for many families while stimulating businesses such as transport, food supply, accommodation, and building materials. Infrastructure projects of this scale create benefits that extend far beyond sport. For northern Uganda, the stadium represents a major investment that could change the sporting landscape for decades. Young footballers in the region have demanded for playing in modern facilities similar to those seen in Europe or North Africa. Soon, they may have such a venue in their own backyard. The designation of Akii Stadium as a standby venue for AFCON 2027 also demonstrates confidence in Uganda's ability to deliver quality infrastructure. As Uganda prepares to co-host the tournament alongside Kenya and Tanzania, every completed facility strengthens the country's reputation on the continental stage. Of course, the real challenge is not only completing the stadium on time, but also maintaining it properly after construction. Across Africa, many impressive stadiums have deteriorated because of poor maintenance, inadequate funding, and limited management. Uganda must avoid making the same mistake. Proper maintenance plans, regular upgrades, and active use of the stadium will be essential if the investment is to be beneficial in future generations. The stadium should also become a home for local football, athletics competition, schools, championships, concerts, and community events. A facility of this magnitude should remain active throughout the year rather than opening only for major tournaments. As football lovers, we can also appreciate what this project means. Every seat being installed, every concrete beam completed, and every finishing touch brings Uganda one step closer to welcoming Africa's biggest football competition. The countdown to AFCON 2027 continues, and Akii Olympic Stadium is rapidly becoming one of the country's greatest sporting landmarks. If the current pace of construction is maintained, football fans across Uganda, and especially in northern Uganda, will soon witness history in a world-class stadium that honors the legacy of Olympic champion John Akibwa. Thank you for watching Football Talk on Acholi Side TV. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Do you believe Akibwa Olympic Stadium will be ready before African Cup of Nations 2027? And how do you think it will transform football in northern Uganda? Let us know your views.